Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandeep Nair and I just want to thank you guys for clicking this video. And this video I'm just going to show you exactly it's just going to take you like 5 to 7 minutes just to make money with this business and just watching ads. So I'm just going to literally show you guys how to do this. But before I show this video on how to make money with Furture Ads Pro, I just want to quickly tell you guys what I'm going to be putting in this YouTube channel. It's going to be mainly making money online, okay? And the programs that I'll be discussing, it'll be on one, I'll be doing more videos on FutureNet, okay? And I'll be making on Bitcoin mining. And as you guys all know about Bitcoin mining, the thing is, guys, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is the future of currency, okay? And there's a lot of scam that's going on out there. If you just check, a lot of people just telling, you can make money through this, you can mine Bitcoin through this, mine this coin, mine that coin, and lot of stuff, and trading, and a lot of other things are going on with Bitcoin, and you don't know which one is legit or not. So I'll just be showing further down the line various videos on how you can mine Bitcoin and other coins as well. So I will show you a program that I have joined, and this company is a solid company. It's been there for more than about 10 years right now. They have been doing some other program before, and right now they have added Bitcoin mining and other coin mining with their program as well. So it's a really good program. It's an awesome program. So I'll be letting you know on Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency mining as well. It's CPA marketing. Affiliate marketing is also there are two programs that I'm associated with, and I'm earning pretty well. So just stay tuned to my channel. I'll be sharing more on this. And forex trading is just a thing that I started, I think, 2 days back, and I'm doing pretty well with it, okay? So I'm just gonna do more of my investigation on this, more of my research on this before I let you guys know about forex trading. But this is one of the awesome things out there, okay? How you can really make passive leverage income online. So please, what I'm saying is just subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, so you'll get all the information, okay, on this. Okay, this is an awesome program that I've just joined like 3 days back, and I've just started trading 2 days back. So I'm doing pretty well with this. Crypto trading is something that I will be going into the future, but I will definitely be interested in doing as well the trading in cryptocurrency, because that is the future of currency. And I will be joining a program that's soon, okay? I've seen a program that has got very good results, so I will be checking on that program and letting you guys know on this information. So quickly, just wanted to show you guys what this channel is about. I'll be sharing, anyways, for right now, this would be the 6 things that I will be discussing in the near future with this in this channel. But there will be more, okay? There will be more, okay? There will be more to this. So okay, so right now I'm just going to quickly show you guys, like it's going to take like 5 to 7 minutes, okay? How I'm going to quickly show you how to make money with this program. So this is my Furture Ads Pro back office, as you can see, and I'm just gonna put this on the side, okay? I'm gonna start my stopwatch, okay? I'm gonna start and I'm gonna literally show you guys how simple this is, how easy this is, okay? I can literally show you guys in 5 to 7 minutes how I make money with this business. So how easy this is, and let's start, okay? So I'm going to tell you it's going to take 5 to 7 minutes because it's depending on internet speed, okay? So let's start, okay? So I'm just going to click this, okay, and so it started. So basically what I did was, I'll just show you guys. I'll show you after this ad, okay? So you just click the ad, okay, and the the green thing is loading. Okay, that will run for 30 seconds. Okay, and I think, see, this is my internet speed is low. Okay, so it'll take, maybe it might take, maybe for me 7 to 8 minutes maybe to finish this. Okay, but I'm just going to show you how literally easy this thing is. So basically, once this page loads, okay, yeah guys, see, my internet is pretty bad. Okay, so you see this watch, I'm just going to stop for you for a second. You see this watch ads, you just click this watch ads. Okay, I'll just show you guys 1 minute. So basically, you just come to dashboard. This is how it's going to look when you log in. So what you got to do is click watch ads, okay, on top here, and then this page will load, and you can click any tab. Okay, you can click any of these, they'll be showing 9 ads. Okay, you can click any of that. I'm just gonna click this one. Before I do that, I'll just start my stopwatch and let's go. Okay, so that's how simple this is. Okay guys, I'm sorry because it will actually just take very less time. Just a minute guys, just a minute. Okay, so okay, for some reason the internet is quite slow. Okay, and I think it's maybe because my laptop was running on battery charge. Okay, I think that's why it was, I think now it's a little bit better. Okay, so yeah, so let's so this is it guys, just click the watch ads on top and click one ad at a time. Okay, I think that's why, I think now the thing is fast. Okay, so that's how simple this is. You click next and it'll just go to the next tab. Okay, and that's it. You know, if something looks good to you, you want to check the company out, you know what, this company sent you a full-time job, so you can, is just maybe some opportunity that's available. You can send in your information, and if they actually like your profile or something like that, maybe it'll give you. So there are a lot of different advertisements that's going on here. If you're interested, you can definitely you know, enroll for it or subscribe for that program. Okay, but that's up to you. Okay, so that's it guys, just click the tab, watch your ad for 30 seconds, and that's it. You make money with this company, that's all. The thing with Furture Ads Pro is it's different from the it's an advertising platform. Okay, and so I've made a video, a detailed video. It's like a 40 minutes video on Furture Ads Pro. Okay, so if you want more information, like detailed information about Furture Ads Pro, you can click the link below. I have put the YouTube link for that, and if it appears somewhere here on the right top, I'll put it there as well. So just click that video, you'll get a detailed information about what Furture Ads Pro is, and you know, everything about Furture Ads Pro and how to earn money and how to register, and everything step by step is given in that video. It's a little bit it's a long video, it's a 40-minute video, because I just wanted to make a very detailed video on that. This is more of a very quick video of you know, Furture Ads Pro that I wanted to make, just literally showing you guys how simple this business is and how easily you can make money with this. Okay, so you just finish this and it's done. Okay, that's how simple this business is, because the difference between Furture Ads Pro and, you know, all the other advertising platform is that say for example newspapers, television, where, you know, you just put your ads, but the difference is Furture Ads Pro pays you for watching the ads, the others don't pay you. Okay, so you every day you watch an ad on YouTube, you watch an ad on the newspaper, on TV, okay, anywhere you watch ads, okay, everywhere that you're looking around, okay, you are watching ads, okay. So why not get paid for it? So this company does pay you for it, and you just have to spend 5 minutes, guys. Come on, this is so simple, okay. It's see right now it's reached 5 minutes, okay, but that's because my internet and my, I think I was running on battery, that's why it ran slow. But you can see how simple this is, okay. And that's how literally you can make money with this program, okay. This company pays you, and it's and I'll show you why this company is a solid company. Just a moment, I'll just click the next ad, okay, and we click the next ad, and we go, see, I'm already 7 out of 10, okay. And okay, so I've just prepared a small note here saying why it works, okay. So why this program works, it's not only having one source of income, okay. So if you go and check out my detailed video, I show in that the programs that they involved with. So besides ads, okay, they have a digital products, FutureNet shop, shopping platform, car leasing, cafe, casino, travel, charities. They sponsor a lot of sports. They are the official sponsors of a sports a Slovakian futsal team. They sponsored for Barcelona one event for futsal, and for the futsal team, and they have online games, okay. They have offices all around the world, okay. They have cafes, and they are going to open the second cafe. I think they have already opened it by now. And they have their own cryptocurrency, okay. So that's another awesome thing about this company. So the company, the coin is called Futuro, okay, Futuro coin. And they have so this is what, so this company which is having multiple source of income, it is more secure and stable. That's how a company is secure and stable, because as long as it's got more and more multiple sources of income. And you can see all these, and it's got digital products, it's got a what do you say, it's got a blog, it's got VoIP calling, it's got what is that, a cloud app, it's got a lot of stuffs, okay, where you can purchase digital products as well. And they've got their online thing, and all these things, okay, online shopping platform, and a lot of things where you can buy things online. So this is how awesome this company is, okay. Guys, here it's a little bit, I don't know what happened right here, okay. And click next ads, and it's done, okay. So I'll just quickly go to my stopwatch and stop, and you guys can see I told 5 to 7 minutes, but you guys gotta excuse me for that 1 minute because my internet was pretty slow, okay. But you guys can see even then it's taking 8 minutes. It took me 8 minutes to show you guys how simple this thing is, okay. And I'm done for the day, and I can just click here, log out, and I'm done, okay. Yeah, so we'll just go back to this question, this part. And this is how simple this is. I will be putting my link below this, so please join me on my team, okay. Add me on Facebook, add me on FutureNet. You can ask me questions there, okay. Guys, after this video, please quickly watch that other video if you do have time. It's a 40-minute video, but it is worth your time, okay. Now the step-by-step procedure for just quickly close this, for joining FutureNet, okay, is that now once you click the link below, you will come to a page like this, okay. You come to a page like this. You just put in your information, your first name, last name, email address, and all these information is just basic information, like how you just join Facebook. Yeah, it's the same thing, okay. And FutureNet is, by the way, it's like it's a social platform. It's like Facebook. So I'll be explaining more on FutureNet in the coming videos. Okay, so it's just basic information. Once you guys log in, you'll come to that platform where you just saw about Future Ads Pro. Sorry, FutureNet. You'll come, and what will happen is, okay, I'll just quickly show you guys how it's going to be. I've shown this in the other video. Quickly, I'll just log in. In the detailed video, everything is shown there. Okay, but I'll just want to show you guys quickly on this part as well. I don't want to make this video long as well. Okay, and so once you log in, this is what FutureNet is going to look like. You can see it's like a social platform. Okay, just like Facebook, it looks very similar. It's got the home page, profile page, and things like that. Okay, and these are your chatting. You can chat with your friends. So even if you add me on FutureNet, you can feel free to message me, so you can check out all these things. This is what I was telling. They have got their FutureNet shopping platform and things like that, and they have got their games, and they've got their cloud app and a lot of things. Okay, but I'll just you guys can join this for free. There's nothing to pay, so you guys can check out this website. Click the company tab. You'll see all the information on the company part, where all these businesses that I discussed in just like 2 minutes back, it'll show. So quickly, I'm just quickly going to back office in your business, and 3 businesses will appear. Okay, and you click on Future Ads Pro, you'll come into the login page. Okay, and you'll have to put in your information again. So that's pretty much it. Okay, and 1 minute. Once you all this information is just step by step. Okay, just fill out the registration form, scroll down and go to the back office. On your left side, you'll see the Future Ads Pro, like I just showed you. Log in there. You go to your profiles tab. Okay, it's right on the left side of the page. Okay, once you click here on the left side over here, there will be a profiles tab in the Future Ads Pro, and you log in. You put in upload your government approved ID, set your 2-factor authentication with Google app, and go to dashboard, buy your ad packs, and you start making money. You just download the Future Ads Pro and you start making money with this. Okay, that's how simple it is. You need a Google authenticator, you need a Future Cloud app to install, and you need an ID proof. That's it. So guys, this is how simple this business is. Don't worry, I'll quickly show a video on on how you register. Okay, that I'll show you a step-by-step video on that. So I just quickly went through this because I don't want to make this video long. Okay, so this is how simple, guys, this business is. Watch your 10 ads and you're done for the day. Okay, and you earn. Okay, you earn on 1% of the value of your ad packs. Okay, if you want more information on that, the videos are below telling more on the calculations and all that details about Future Ads Pro. So so I'm waiting for you guys to join my team. Okay, I do have some bonuses as well, so let me know when you buy some amount of ad packs. You definitely, I'll give you some bonus for that. And what else? So don't wait, guys, join. It's simple. Just watch your 10 ads and you make money. Okay, so there's nothing more than this. This is the easiest way how you can make money online, based on my experience so far being in this industry, making money online. Okay, so it's really simple. Join my team. I'm there readily on Facebook. Okay, I will reply to you guys as soon as possible in Facebook, Future, or whatever it is. Message me. Okay, I've put my contact details, so you can WhatsApp me. I'll put my 2 numbers. So one number is my Indian number that's only got WhatsApp. Okay, so the other number is my Kuwait number. You can message me, you can WhatsApp me, whatever. Anytime when I'm free, I will reply to you as soon as possible. I'm here to help you guys out making money online. Okay, so see you guys soon, and hope to see you guys in my team. So take care, guys, and God bless.